back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. This hotel, that type of room is available and available for you can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, Geeta.com. Check-in time in this hotel is 12 p.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please follow the description link. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching.